happy birthday. Sana lagi kayong masaya at maganda yung kalusugan. God bless.
Happy birthday po sa inyo. Palagi lang po kayong malakas at sana sobrang maging masaya sa kaarawan ninyo and more blessings po. God bless.
Happy birthday, wish you all the best at sana mag-enjoy po pa.
Say happy birthday, many more years to come. It's like sweet 16 for you right now. But God bless, take care of yourself, stay healthy.
Happy birthday. Siyempre, more birthdays to come. Sana super saya mo sa birthday mo. Sana yung celebration mo yung super grande and never forget to thank the Lord for everything going well and sana makita po tayo soon.
Ako si Dante Santos. Bumabati sa'yo ng maligayang kaaraw. Naway maging masaya ka sa araw na ito.
Ako po si J. Falcon at yung nakapagsabi sa akin na birthday niyo daw. Pinabati ko po kayo ng happy birthday. Sana po masaya po kayo ngayon and sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay niyo.
It's Nikki Hill. Happy birthday po. I pray that God will continue to bless you and your family and to see you soon. Happy birthday, enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Sana po maging masaya kayo na yung birthday niyo. Happy birthday!
Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo. See you soon.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana marami pang blessings sa buhay mo. Good health syempre para sa pamilya mo. And yun, God bless always. Happy birthday.
To greet you a very, very happy birthday surprise! I hope you have a good one.
Happy birthday sa'yo. Sana marami kang gifts. Sana you're happy. Sana marami. Si Jake nga pala nagsabi nun. Thank you.
I'd just like to greet you happy birthday. God bless you. Hope to see you.
Happy birthday. Have a great day. Keep working hard. Good luck with everything in the future and I hope to meet you soon. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday and I hope you enjoy your day. Hope you get to see each other soon. I'll see you soon, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you very much. Very, very much.
Greeting you happy birthday. Sana lahat ng dreams mo this year will come true. I'm sure they will. And ang wish ko is for you to always make your parents proud. And do well in school. Happy birthday. Enjoy. Have a good one.
60th birthday po. Sana po mas lalo pang humaba yung buhay at lalo kayo maging malakas. Mag-ingat po kayo parate. God bless you and more power. Ako Martin po. I love you.
Happy birthday. Hope you have a great birthday. Wish you good health and enjoy your birthday. Take care always.